Say happy. Say happy afternoon. Ako yung ano mo. Tawag dito. Saan na yung isipon mo, baby? Wait. Kalat naman natin dito. Mama will open it for you. Okay. Wait. Okay, Mama will open it. You feed yourself. Or let me wash your hand. Mama will wash your hand. Wash your hand. Ano? May ulan. Bakit may ulan? Yung mga sipon nagsilabasan. Kaya pala. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay. Ito kami. Saan naman ito? Okay. Mama will give you this one. Go for Ayana. Afternoon snacks. You want with biscuit, Ayana? Huh? Don't make a mess, okay? Okay, that's for now. Hold it. You use the spoon, please. Use the spoon. Use the spoon, baby. Your phone. Mama will, I give you this one later. What happened to your nose? Huh? Okay. Mama will have coffee too. Okay. Kape tayo mga shot. Sabay natin yung mainit na panahon. Mainit. Umuulan pala. Umuulan pala, Bibiana. Okay. Sana gumaling ka na, Bibiana, sa sipon mo, baby. Ako naman, inano. Nanginginig ako. Nanginginig. Nanlalabig pala. Ano ba yan? Yung katawan ko parang may something talaga. Hindi maganda. Nakainom naman tayo ng gamot. Sana makatulong yung gamot sa atin. Baby, it's the wrong way. No? You're wasting, baby, the ano. You drop it. Ay, naku. Mama, wash your face. Nandiyan man yan kasi ganyan, baby, yan, ha? Wash your... Kaya nga sa atin, likod mo, yung ambon. Sigurado, walang payong yung dala. Ay, naku. Yummy. You want cookies? You want this one? You wanna try it? Okay. I'll give you a little. It's a bit hard. You don't like? Okay. Thank you. You want more? Magbahin ka, ay naku. Magbahin ka, baby, yan, ha. Bahin mo yan para lalabas. Want this one? Big one. Mama will give you this. Okay. Don't like? Okay. Just eat your yogurt. Okay, you know, I have here. I have my coffee. Thank you. Okay, you want kangkong? Oh, go get some kangkong. Which one? Cookies? Yogurt? Just say have the yogurt. Don't drop it, please. I drop it around, baby. That's not how you... No, you drop it. Okay, thank you. You want mommy's help? Don't do that. On this one. Cookies. You want this? Mama will have it, okay? Don't put it in your mouth. Which one? Nako. Which one you like? This one? We still have more. Okay, Mama will give you more. But you have to finish that one first. There's more here. Okay, hold like this. Only one from here. Kasi gusto niya man yung... Gusto niya man yung galing sa ano. Okay. Is it yummy? That is same, baby Ayana. Yeah, same. Okay. Okay. Oh, careful. Oh, that's a big one. That's cute. Yay. You know how to use the fork now. Don't spit it out. Swallow it, baby Anna. Gulp it down. That's what daddy say. Gulp it down. Yes. Mamay, babe, ano tayo ng oregano Yana? Done na yung baby Yana ko. Yan, tapos na siya. Hindi ko pa pinalitan ng kanyang damit. We need to change your t-shirt, baby Yana. Wipe your nose. Baby ate is here, ate. Baby Yana. Hi. Ano yan? Hawakan mo muna. Hawakan mo muna.
Come here, come here.